In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to add your Six Flags Pass to your Apple Wallet. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone. This will take you to the main settings page. Scroll down the menu and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, you will see a list of cards currently linked to your Apple Wallet. Tap Add Card to begin adding a new one. Wait a few seconds for the next screen to load. On the next screen, you'll see the option to scan or add card. Tap on it. Hold your Six Flags Pass near your iPhone's camera to scan it automatically, or tap Enter card details manually if scanning doesn't work. Carefully enter the pass number and required information. Make sure everything is correct to avoid errors. Once all of information is filled in, tap Next in the top right corner. Your Six Flags Pass should now be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to add your Six Flags Pass to your Apple Wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.